I've been in the concrete industry for over 20 years. I worked prior to with a vertically integrated company. However, my dad bought 1,000 ounce concrete back in 2002, and I joined him in 2005. Typically, the market segments that we hit are residential and agricultural, and we obviously do some commercial and a little bit of municipal work as well. We're currently set up on an island close to Toronto. We're supplying a water treatment facility. When we first started the project, it started off a little on the slower side with respect to demand. So we were pouring anywhere from 150 to 200 meters a day. However, now when we brought our third truck, we have 3 trucks on the project, we're upwards of 300 to 350 to 400 meters per day. So the setup is we have a tilt-up silo where the trucks pull under, load the powder and the aggregate. So our trucks just pull into the pump, unload, head back for another reload. So we're averaging, lately we've been averaging over 30 to 40 loads a day of concrete. On a daily basis, the aggregates are filled up on mainland. We have 2 barges that are shipped over every day. And then towards the evening, we go back to the mainland, fill up and do the same process for the next day. 300 meters a day was an optimistic goal for Alberici, and I think they're pleasantly surprised that we're able to achieve that. What I was told, this is one of the first island projects that will be on schedule, if not ahead of schedule. So they're quite pleased with that. Up to this point, we haven't had any breaks that are suspects. We're all well over the design requirement within 7 days of breaking the cylinders. So from a testing perspective, everything's running right on track. Certainly as an owner, all of our trucks are ProAll trucks, and the consistency is the big advantage that I must say. You know, I had the confidence that I no longer had to continue to test because we were on the same page, and I knew day over day we're getting a consistent product. The great thing about ProAll trucks is the ability to adjust. It's just minor adjustments to ensure that your concrete is within spec. Therefore, we haven't had any rejected loads. From a strength perspective, every cylinder cast has been well above design strength. I truly believe that volumetrics was the only way to go to supply a job on a remote location like an island outside of Toronto. I would certainly recommend anyone using ProAll mixers on a project, a remote project like this. The certainty, the accuracy, from a quality perspective, I had absolutely no concern. We were going to meet the spec that was required. So give ProAll a shout.